Electric. The thrill that ripples through your spine when powerful waves crash against the shore. The breath you take in the clear air of the mountain woods. The pounding of your heart as you move through the city at night. These things charge us up. They power our dreams. They inspire our journey. Electric. The rush of being on the cutting edge, of zooming down the tunnel of time to see the future. Embracing what's new, belonging to what's next. Few things intrigue us like the rush of the unfamiliar. Few things thrill us like a sensation we've never before experienced. Living life forward on a glide path over the horizon. It's electric. These moments are few and far between. But when they arrive, the only question is, what will you do? Crave more? Well, welcome to more. World, meet the latest in Genesis design. Electric.